So we're going to perform this treatment a little bit differently. We're going to start the treatment with Cuticul Plus, which is a product for the hair and the scalp. Rich in amino acids, it's going to actually help to condition the scalp and also improve and stimulate hair growth. To start the treatment, we're going to remove any eye makeup or lipstick with our Fibro Lotion, and we're going to dampen down cotton wool pads. Next, we take our Glyco milk, rich in the Glyco proteins. We're going to around 5 to 7 ml, and we're going to massage that over the skin and remove that with Fibrilla. It's nice and rich in your Glyco proteins there to hydrate, soften the skin, and aid exfoliation. I'm going to wipe over to remove that with damp cotton pad and repeat again. To complete the cleansing process, we're going to use our Fibro Lotion onto damp cotton pad. We wipe over the skin and make sure that no makeup's left, and we keep wiping over with your cotton pad until the skin is completely clean. So the next step of our treatment is to give a nice exfoliation, and we're going to do that gently using our Ger Peel, which has got plant-based spherical spheres in there, and cucumber. So on a damp skin, we're going to apply around 4 to 5 ml and massage that over the face and neck and remove that with a nice warm towel. Next step of our treatment, we want to activate the skin and get the energy going. And we're going to use a Mito Special Plus for this, and that's going to stimulate the mitochondria, increase the energy output of the cells, meaning that everything we put on afterwards is going to be better absorbed. So we're going to spray onto the skin, and we're going to use around 6 sprays. Now we've got the cells nice and activated, we're going to use our Ger Lift, which is a marine-based treatment product. And that's going to help to stimulate the fibroblasts. So that's going to increase collagen and elastin in the skin. You've got your laminaria algae, a mix of beautiful algae in there to stimulate that collagen production. So we're going to put around 3 ml of product onto the skin and massage that in around the face, neck, and around the eyes. Next, to give a nice drink of hydration to the skin, we're going to use our beautiful Cells Life. Cells Life has got your hyaluronic acid in there. It's also got growth factors in there. That's going to stimulate your collagen and elastin and give that beautiful boost of hydration. So we've got a nice dropper here, and we're going to work in areas to infuse that around the eyes, the cheeks, the forehead, and the neck. So next we're going to carry out our massage. Again, we use our Synchro cream, our hero product there with all those fatty acids in there, the amino acids, giving all the nutrition those cells need. And to continue the marine theme, we're going to use the marine essence, which has got a beautiful scent of lavender and rosemary there. So we're going to use around 7 ml of our Synchro, and we're going to spray around 5 pumps of the marine essence in there, and that's going to bring that nice relaxation spa element to the treatment. So the next step is our mask, and we're going to stay with the marine theme, and we're going to use our beautiful marine essence mask, which is freeze-dried at source. So you've got all your algae in there, and those algae in there are going to be rich in minerals. They're going to promote collagen, elastin, and circulation in the skin. So we're going to mix that up with hot water, and we use 1 measure of that. And then once it's mixed with the water and we've got a nice smooth paste, we're going to add our marine essence mask that we can use in retail, and this gives it the kaolin clay base to it, and it gives it a really beautiful creamy texture. We're going to mix our marine essence spray in there, which again has that lavender and rosemary, just to hide some of the smell of the marine, and we're going to apply that with a brush, and we're going to need that for 10 to 15 minutes to work on the skin with warm water on it, and you can just massage over. So we can either use, as I say, the red heat lamp, you can steam, or use nice warm brushes, or you can just leave it to act. To remove the mask, I find it easier to take a little bit of your Glyco and some warm water in your fingertips and massage that over the mask to break it down. And we do a double cleanse until the skin's completely clear of the mask, and that'll make sure that we remove any of that marine essence smell. Once the mask is removed, to complete the treatment, we're going to do a boost of hydration using our Cells Life again, dropping that into those areas and pressing it in to boost the hyaluronic. Continuing with the marine theme, we're going to use our Marine Day cream, again rich in those marine essences and algae to boost that collagen and elastin in the skin. A great everyday moisturiser to use under makeup as well. Beautiful anti-aging and lifting. To complete the treatment, we're going to use our marine essence again, and we're going to spritz that over the client with that lavender and rosemary in there, just to allow the client to come back to reality and to end the treatment.
Visit our website to claim your free trial pack or schedule a consultation or in-salon demonstration.